Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kumar Gaurav and I'm here to announce that we have uploaded more videos on parajumbles on our YouTube channel. So if you have not visited our channel or not gone through our videos, then go through our part 1 and part 2 of the parajumble series, and here is the part 3. As in the last video, we have discussed the simple conceptual technique and strategy how to solve parajumble questions, and we have solved some questions. In this video, this is the continuation of the previous video, and we are going to solve some more questions based on parajumble. Let's begin. One more question. So this is question number 3 and we are going to solve it. We have to solve this parajumble question without using the options. Okay, so let's begin with the question number 1. Statement number 1. Before plants can take life from atmosphere, nitrogen must undergo transformations similar to ones that food undergoes in our digestive machinery. Okay, so this sentence is a kind of independent sentence, means it has the capability of coming at first. Okay, means it can be the first sentence in the paragraph, but whenever we are talking about before plants can take life from atmosphere, this line indicates that something has been done, means something has already been taken place, means we have to think before taking number 1 as the first sentence. Okay, let's move on further to sentence number 2. In its aerial form, its means it's here representing a noun, means whenever we get a pronoun we must hunt a noun. Okay, here its is the representation of a noun. Okay, this is showing possession of a noun, but which noun we don't know, that's why 2 cannot be the first sentence. Okay, let's move on further. Sentence number 3. Lighting starts the series of chemical reactions that need to happen to nitrogen, ultimately helping it nourish our earth. Okay, this can be the first one. Let's move on further. Nitrogen, an essential food for plants. Okay, this is the introductory part of nitrogen. Whenever we are talking about nitrogen, this is the introductory part, and this will come first, then something will be said about nitrogen, like nitrogen is insoluble. These are in second point, it is representing the qualities of nitrogen, means whenever we are using 4 and 2 will be used after 4, so this will be the mandatory pair. Okay, let's move on further. One of the most dramatic examples in nature of ill wind, okay, ill wind that blows goodness is lightning. So here is something very interesting, like one of the most dramatic examples in nature of ill wind that blows goodness in lightning. Just like it's like a phrase, ill wind, that is a negative word. Okay, and it blows goodness is lightning. First of all, if we try to form a paragraph using 5 as our first sentence, then try to make a sequence. One of the most dramatic examples in nature of ill wind that blows goodness is lightning, and we must follow related information. Here you can see lightning, we have some information about lightning. So here lightning starts the series of chemical reactions. What is lightning? What does it do? So lightning starts a series of chemical reactions that need to happen to nitrogen. Here nitrogen is being introduced, ultimately helping it nourish our earth, means after 5 we must use 3, and then we have already introduced nitrogen, so we must go through the definition of the nitrogen. Nitrogen, an essential food for plants, is an abundant resource with about 22 million tons of it floating over each square mile of earth. Okay, so this will be the next sentence. And next, after 4 we have to use 2. In its aerial form, nitrogen is insoluble. So in its, the answer of its means its here is representation of nitrogen. In nitrogen's aerial form, nitrogen is, or in nitrogen's aerial form, it is unsoluble, okay, unusable, and is in need of transformation. It means we have to use 2 after 4. And then 1 will be the last one. Like before plants can take life from atmosphere, nitrogen must undergo transformations. Okay, in second sentence we are talking about transformation, like nitrogen needs to be transformed. So in this in the first sentence it is being said that nitrogen must undergo transformations similar to ones that food undergoes in our digestive machinery. Like the way food goes into our digestive machinery, in the same way nitrogen must undergo transformations. Okay, so this will be the last sentence. I hope you are getting the technique or the how we are solving the questions. And if you like our videos and technique how to solve paradoxical questions, so like our channel and try to share the video among your friends. For this, thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.